I'm going to cover the other query, and that is update query. Okay, so let me copy this same workflow, this update new data, and copy this and paste it here, and rename it like update data. Click OK and open it, and here so leave it as it is, this variable, and getting credentials, connecting database. And so here instead of run command, here there is a insert query, right? So instead of insert query, I want to update the previous record. Let's say here the we discussed a lot about config file, and the config key value always it will be as it is standard, but the value it may be change it in the future as well, right? It can be changed anytime. So let's say I want to change this particular folder path. Okay, this particular folder path based on this particular key and column. Okay, and so how to do that? So very simple. There is a query called update query. Okay, so if I say update, that we can update the value to the existing records. Okay, the update statement is used to modify the existing record in a table. Okay, and the syntax for that update, we have to mention the table name, and then we have to mention that syntax set, and which column, and what is the value, and where you have to update it. Okay, let's say here there is an example, and this is the table: customer name, contact name, address. Okay, assume that this is a table. I want to update the table is a customer, and set contact name. Okay, where the contact name. Okay, and there is a contact name, this one, contact name, and city. Okay, I want to update the contact name, this name, and city, this one, and where customer ID is 1. Okay, where the customer ID is 1. So let me copy this. Okay, copy this and go to here. Okay, and for example now I copied it and pasted here. Okay, I'm going to write update. Okay, update. So my table is settings and constant. Okay, settings, update, settings. So okay, let me copy this, and settings and constant, and set, and value. Okay, in the value column, set value equal to, so within single quotes, so I'm going to add some other D folder. Okay, D colon slash data something. Okay, this is my value. I want to set it where the column name is name equal to folder path. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to execute this and execute it. One row, no, it's affected, and check that select star from settings, and you see the folder path value got updated. Okay, now the same thing we will do it in this through UiPath Studio. We'll do this for this name column, and the value we are going to change it as a different value. Go to Studio. Okay, here in the configure connection, in the run command, and open this and add your syntax. Okay, and this is the syntax, right? But here I want to mention that this is the column name, right? Value, leave it, and this is the value I want to add, and where the name column, where the key is folder path. Okay, this is the key, and this is the value. Okay, and let me go here, and I will delete all this. and this is the str name, and let me change it like key, and go here in the variable panel. I'm going to change it like this is the key, and this is the value. Let me yeah, key and value, right? Yes, value, and the process name, yeah. So there is a one more thing, okay, and here you see in the data table, okay, here update settings and constant table, set value, go and go to this value and update this value, and where the name is folder path. Sometimes here the process name for yeah, who is a separate process, invoice process is a separate one, and there might be a chance in both the process there will be a folder path. Okay, then in that case you have to mention that two where conditions, where name folder path and this process name. Okay, and that you try it. Okay, just now I'm going here, and the key and value and the process name I leave it as of now, and let's see how you guys are doing that. And okay, the key is to address, I'm going to change it like some other name. Okay, john@gmail.com. okay, this is my key and value, and here I'm going to this query, edit query, and here update settings and constant, set value. Here remove this, add a double quotes, add a plus, and str key. Okay, no, not a key, value, str value. Okay, and here where the name is the key, right? This value column is a value and the name is a key. Okay, let me add a plus, then str key. Okay, done. Click on OK, and now I'm going to run this step into, or I'm going to continue. Okay, I'm going to click on continue. This is done. Okay, now go to database and check your table, select star from settings and constant, and execute it. You see here that the value got updated, john@gmail.com. okay, and this is how we have to update the existing record, okay, using UiPath Studio, using this run command with a different query. Okay, try this, and also guys, you try with adding the process name condition also. Okay, this process, we have the process name, right, str process name, and include that as well. I think the table, I think you don't have, yeah, invoice process there, include that condition as well. Let's see.